Today we're mating the transmission and engine for Mike's 240 over there. He's already put the pilot bearing in, and then now we're going to be putting the flywheel, clutch, and everything, and then we'll have it mated together. I don't know how far these things have to go in. Is there like a lip or anything? Yeah, there's a lip for it, see? So after 15, it's 37, then 74 foot-pounds. What's the next one? Your final torque is going to be 74 foot-pounds. There we go, it's on.
It's on.
She's on.
She's on.
So now clean it, clutch.
74 is it, right?
Yeah.
There's nothing else after 74?
It was like 15, 37, 74. Yeah.
Part goes facing us, you can drive it.
Yeah, once you engage the clutch once, that rust will fall right off. Yeah, get all that human oil off of it.
Nelson hair.
Probably. Don't breathe this.
Lots of Nelson hair.
Skirt.
It's gonna be like that until we
Yeah. Skirt. Give me that rubber mallet.
up top of it.
Well, once the bolts will do it.
Yeah.
She ready, boy? Beautiful. It looks so weird, just the one black one.
20, 40, 52.
20, 40, 52. Yeah?
The real question is, should we have put a Loctite on these?
Probably.
More than likely.
Whatever.
I'm taking it off.
Are you?
Yeah. Well, the clutch does this come out easy?
Well, you gotta get the mean. So there's the clutch on. So for the final torque, it's 20, then 40, and then 52. I doubt anyone's here to get information on how to do this from me, but there you go. Where'd you buy this from? Monster Clutches?
Yep.
So there's the monsterclutches.com. What clutch is it?
Stage 2. I think it holds up to like 550
4 pounds of torque.
That's some torquey boys.
Torquey boys is right.
Definitely need 550 foot-pounds of torque to go to KFC and back. I don't know about you. It matches your sicky engine mounts too.
That's pretty sweet.
Color coordinated, my guy. It's all in the details, you know?
How are we gonna do this, boys?
When it lowers, set it back where you had it.
Lower it very fucking slow. Don't fucking boof it either.
Obviously.
It should, in theory, kind of start leaning that way.
Well, we're gonna need...
Swing it that way. There you go. Oh, no, no, don't swing it that hard.
Alright, lower it. That's fine right there. I just leave it right there.
Seems legitimate.
So far.
So far, yeah.
Give it a few spins for
Just little prosperity spins, you know? Just give it a little. Now it'll just right in.
We're hoping so.
smidge.
I do some of the automotive parts here.
More.
You said a smidge. I give you smidges.
Right there.
That's a 2 smidge.
It's a 2.
Well, let me see where it lines up. Lift it up. Turn this way a little bit more. Come a little bit. Yeah, like a little more that way. Right there.
Don't stop. Oh, where's the hammer? Give me the hammer.
hammer.
Now look here, you keep pushing. Push from the with him.
There you go.
Right under it.
That one's the last one too. We should be good. Beautiful.
Sick.
Your engine has a transmission on it.
For the first time in 6 months.
Yeah, literally for the first time in 6 months. I got you on that Loctite. Bam, wherever it went. What? She a dirty boy too. So there we go. We got the clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, transmission, and starter all put in. Really what we're waiting on to get it in here are the headers from CX Racing that's taken 8 weeks now, exactly. They supposedly should be here next Wednesday, so should be seeing that shortly where we finally get that, and then that can make V8 noises.